to evaluate the integral of sine of 4x dx using U substitution. U is typically going to be the inside function of another function or the most complex function. Here we can see that 4x is inside the sine of x function, so we will let U be equal to 4x. When deriving, we get that du is equal to 4 dx, or that du over 4 is equal to dx. This will mean that this is equal to the integral of sine of u du over 4. We can rewrite this by factoring out the 1/4 so that it's equal to 1/4 times the integral of sine u du. Now we can just integrate sine of u normally. Together this is equal to negative 1/4 cosine of u plus c. We know that u is equal to 4x, so we will now substitute in u with 4x to get our final answer of negative 1/4 cosine of 4x plus c. And that gets us our answer. Now let's try another integral. Let's try to evaluate the integral of 3 times secant squared x times root tan x dx. U is typically the most complex function or a function inside another function. As we can see here, tan of x is inside a root x function. So we will let u be equal to tan x. When deriving, we get that du is equal to secant squared x dx. So we can rewrite this as the integral of 3 root u du, which we can rewrite as 3 times the integral of u to the 1/2, which is equal to root u du. We can now integrate u to the 1/2 to get u to the 3/2 times 2/3 multiplied by the 3 here plus c. We will first simplify this to get 2u to the 3/2 plus c. We know that u is equal to tan x, so we will now substitute u with tan x to get our final answer of 2 times tan x to the 3/2 plus c, and that gets us our answer. Now let's try another integral. Let's try to evaluate the integral of 2x squared times cosine of x cubed dx. U is typically the most complex function or the inside of another function. So here we can see that x cubed is a function inside another function of cosine x. So we will let u be equal to x cubed. When solving and deriving, we get that du is equal to 3x squared dx, or that du over 3 is equal to x squared dx. So we can rewrite this as the integral of 2 cosine u du over 3. We can factor out the 2 and the 1/3 here to get 2/3 times the integral of cosine u du. We can integrate this cosine like regularly to get our answer or integration of 2/3 sine of u plus c. We know that u is equal to x cubed, so we will substitute u in for x cubed to get our final answer of 2/3 times the sine of x cubed plus c. And that gets us our final answer.